Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a pad using the Up to Plane feature. First, open the Pad 4 Cat part document. You can download it at the link in the description. First, click File. Select Open, or you can press Ctrl+O after Pad 4. Cat part opens. Select the profile to be extruded. Click Pad. The Pad Definition dialog box appears and the application previews a pad with 10 mm as the default dimension value. In the Type field, set the type option to Up to Plane. Select Plane Point 1. The application previews the pad to be created. The plane trims the extrusion. An offset option is now available. Enter -20 mm offset value as an example. This offset is the distance between the plane and the top face of the pad to be created. Optionally click Preview to see the result. Click OK. The pad is created. The specification tree indicates this creation. In the next video, I will show you how to create pads using the Up to Surface option. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you.